Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about a new robotic project on base, and that is inverted lambda. If we describe inverted lambda in a very simple way, we can say they are trying to solve one of the most real problem in this world, and that is remote work. Just imagine you are here in Bangladesh and a robot arm is placed in Japan. You can control it and do work through that arm from your home through your computer. And not only that, you can earn money from it. It sounds really futuristic, right? That's the main focus of inverted lambda. So today we're gonna talk about how we can use inverted lambda platform to train robots not only in simulation environment but also real one. If you were familiar with Web3 robotic project, I think you already know some of those offer real robot operation through some bugs, But here in inverted lambda, you do that completely free. Here you can see the inverted lambda platform, where you can operate simulation robots and real one also. Currently their beta season 2 is going on, and the total reward for robot operator is, you can clearly see, $1,800. There are also more campaigns where they are offer lots of money, You can join their Discord to know more about their current campaigns. Let's talk about how you can operate real robots or simulation on. First of all, you need to complete the social task first. Otherwise, you can't access any type of robots here. After doing that, you can operate some simulation robot here. You can see there are a separate section for real robots. But to operate real robot, you need to achieve some milestone first. Otherwise, you can't. Here you can see what's required to run a real one, right? So currently we can operate real robots here. We have to achieve the requirement first. Let's run some simulation robot first. Here you can see 3 types of tasks. Easy to hard. Here you can see lots of operations. And to be honest, you can do it very easily. Let's do this one. Here you can see all the information on how to operate robots through your keyboard and mouse. And here you can see what to do. So what we need to do? We need grab it first and drop it at the right place. And that's it. To be honest, it's pretty easy and enjoyable. After a while, you are actually start enjoying the operating robots. We already done one. By the way, here you can see how many points you can get for one task. And here is the total task count, or you can say its limitation. You can repeat every task 10 times, not more than that. I hope it's pretty clear to you how you can operate simulation robot here and how it's work. Now it's time to run the real one. You can control the real robots in the same way. Here you can find all the instructions and use keyboard and mouse for that, to operate that, By the way, many projects ask you money, that I've already told you. But here in inverted lambda, you can operate or control real robots without any fees, totally free. Here you can see how remotely real robots work, right? To be honest, the feeling is really awesome. And you are controlling the real one, not a simulation one, from your home with your keyboard and mouse. It's genuinely feels something else. We already talked about how you can control simulation robots and real robots. Now let's talk about a few more things. Here you can see the leaderboard, right? Here you can see top 10 users of inverted lambda right now. And I hope you soon here. Now let's talk about inverted lambda achievement. Here you can see an achievement section. Here you can find some badges, or you can say it's your achievements or something like that. You can earn those badges through your work. You can also see what's needed to unlock each badge, and so you can track your progress here also. So that's it. It's inverted lambda and inverted lambda platform. How you can use inverted lambda platform to train simulation robot and real one. And I think you have to experience once time how real robots work in remote way.